Can PEPE still make you a millionaire? Along with my price prediction, that is where we need to be talking about in this video. And one thing is going to be for sure, this price target will probably shock you. Now, first of all, I've been saying on Twitter that PEPE will probably go above 50 billion US dollars this cycle, and I've been saying do not underestimate the frog. Back at the bottom, where I have been buying a lot of my PEPE, while literally everyone was bearish at the time, well, I have actually been one of the biggest bulls on PEPE. I've been telling you that I feel like PEPE can still make one of the biggest recoveries ever, back when PEPE was trading at these lows, literally at the bottom. Also, I've been saying that PEPE will probably be outperforming Dogecoin this cycle, and having a look into what's the volume right now, well, it is pretty well on its way, because yes, on the 24-hour volume, PEPE is pretty close in volume compared to Dogecoin and also to Shiba Inu. And what you need to keep in mind is that it is even half of its market cap of Shiba Inu, and also of Dogecoin it is even 1/4. And yes, in the recent few days, PEPE has been kind of seeing a little bit of a consolidation. That's why also the volume is down. But a few days prior, what we could be seeing is that PEPE's volume was actually way higher than both Shiba and also Dogecoin. So yes, the volume is already looking very good. I have been buying this bottom while everyone was bearish, but the real question is going to be, can PEPE still make you a millionaire? And while yes, it is going to be possible in my opinion, it is going to be quite hard. You're not going to be that early anymore. Now, I am going to be talking about my exact price prediction for this cycle a little bit later, also what I think is going to be happening in that short term, and also going to be comparing the PEPE chart with the Shiba chart from the last cycle. But before that, yes, I've been sharing some charts which were very obviously saying that PEPE most likely will be going higher and higher from off these levels. And yes, indeed, PEPE has been absolutely exploding towards the upside. The trend for PEPE is still extremely bullish on that daily time frame. We are still trading inside of this uptrend, and in my opinion, as long as we're going to be holding this uptrend, as long as we're not going to be falling down below this green level over here, I'm still going to be extremely bullish on PEPE. But yes, just like I talked about in the last video for PEPE, well, I do think that in that short term, we can be seeing a little bit of a correction and maybe a little bit of a consolidation. But that would be actually the perfect time to be getting your entry in. Whenever we are going to be getting a little bit of that consolidation, I think that is going to be the perfect moment to be buying your PEPE. Because yes, in that short term, we are just testing major levels of resistance. At the same time, this rising channel is also a bearish biased pattern, so most likely I do think that we are going to be seeing a little bit of a short-term cool-off, while in that longer term, I'm definitely going to be extremely bullish on PEPE over here. Just like I've been talking about, literally, I am one of the biggest bulls on PEPE at the moment. And to get a little bit of a clearer overview of where we are at the current part of this cycle for PEPE, I think we have already gotten this first initial leg towards the upside. This small pump right now, we are having a look in towards the chart of Shiba. I think we have already gotten this initial pump towards the upside right over here at these initial stages right here. I think that right now we are seeing our second wave getting initiated, which is going to be this second huge pump towards the upside. I think right now we are experiencing that pump right now right over here. But that would still mean that we are about to see our next final and biggest wave towards the upside still yet to be created, which is going to be our third pump right over here. And this one is going to be the biggest one. And eventually, whenever we are going to be creating this third wave, that is also going to be setting that all-time high. And that is where I will be taking my profits. So I think that this is going to be a pretty good comparison. Right now, we are still in our second wave, in my opinion. And eventually, we are going to be seeing this consolidation. And during that consolidation, that is going to be the perfect time to be getting in and get in towards PEPE. Because then after that consolidation, I think that that third leg towards the upside will be getting initiated, and that one will be huge. And I even think that at this point, it is pretty safe to say that I think that PEPE is going to be coming close towards the market cap of Dogecoin of last cycle, and that would be a 14x for PEPE. Now also still do keep in mind that this crypto bull market will probably be even bigger than the last cycle, so I think this is going to be pretty crazy. But I think that PEPE is going to be outperforming Dogecoin actually, because PEPE is just that new shiny coin of this new cycle, and we always do tend to see that the new shiny coins tend to perform better. So probably for Pepe, from off this moment we are currently trading at, I'm going to be expecting a little bit of a 10x until maybe even a 20x, because this cycle is going to be even bigger, right? So yes, these are going to be some pretty nice multiples in my opinion, but of course it is not that 100x. For that 100x, you should have listened to me earlier, back when I told you at this bottom over here that I was buying it. I still think that Pepe can still make the biggest recoveries ever, because well, from off that point, Pepe already 20x'd if you did buy on this bottom over here. But right now, still in my opinion, a 10x till a 20x is still pretty good for a safe investment. I would categorize Pepe as a safe investment because it is one of the biggest meme coins, and in crypto you should be betting on the winning horses. Pepe is definitely the winning horse, so probably Pepe will continue to do well during this course of this cycle. At least that is my thought thesis behind why I'm investing in Pepe right here. Of course, this is no financial advice, but yeah, if you are going to be seeing a little bit of a cool off, a little bit of a consolidation, I'm definitely going to be buying more Pepe, even open up some leverage positions if I am going to be getting this entry. That is at least going to be my plan. By the way, if you are going to be getting interested in trading Pepe as well, or buying up Pepe, definitely make sure to check out these links down below, because you can be claiming some very nice bonuses. Also, be sure to like this video, and guys, I'll see you in another video later.